Oh, and they rolled over. Aw. Not the cleanest, but hi. Nothing to scream about over here for the weekend. The mirror ain't even clean. Yeah. Get them wipes and wipe it down and breeze it on. So I forgot to do a hotel tour yesterday. I'm running breakfast just like this. But this is the hotel room. Not amongst my favorite, but it is clean, I guess. Very old, not modern, but considering we won't be in here much, sorry for all the junk, y'all. That's just what it is. Mirror could have been cleaned a little more, but bathroom old, but it is what it is. Oh, dang. I forgot to do a hotel tour, but it's nothing to scream about. It's old. Or should I say less modern than I usually book. There's a wall mirror, which is always appreciated. This is how I'm going to breakfast. Yes. This is the little living room situation. My luggage bus wide open. We're going to breakfast. It ends in 2 hours. 2 beds. A TV on a stand. That's how you know it's old. It comes with a microwave and a refrigerator. Microwave, refrigerator. Don't know. I didn't even go in this closet. But luggage rack. Extra blankets that I won't put on my body because they look old. But yeah, that's it. Nothing to scream about. Very basic, and I didn't care because yesterday was the only day that we'll actually be in the room because the festival starts at 12, which we will not be going at 12, but it starts at 12 and it ends at like midnight. So we won't be in here much longer anyway. What I was about to say, dang, I forgot what I was about to say. Oh yeah, we won't be in here. We just slept, and I mean the beds were comfortable. I slept good. The air works, and that's all that matters. Where did I put the doggone key? Yeah, but we're about to go eat breakfast. You get free breakfast. You get free parking. So, like those amenities, you just couldn't beat. Oh, that's what I was about to say. The hotel downtown, and we all know how inflation during events work. Girl, they wanted like the cheapest hotel downtown was like $700. I'm like, most expensive was probably like $2,000. I'm like, I am not for the weekend. I'm sorry. So we're here, and The staff is amazing. Let me just throw that out there. The staff is, you hear the TV say amazing? They're copying off of me. The staff is really good. Really, really good. Really nice. I ran into an issue booking. I booked through my agent portal, and when I got here, they did not process the payment quick enough. So that was a little irritating. So I had to pay on my credit card, which thank God it was available. Other than that, so far so good. Can't complain. Oh, the hall smells like ass. I'm sorry. It smells like wet carpet, but they are doing renovations here, so that's that with that, and that's that with that. All right, I'm gonna eat breakfast, y'all. I'll see you in the field. I'll record that breakfast, I guess. Where's my phone? Child, I'm losing everything. Let me focus. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. I will show y'all what breakfast looked like. They actually had a very high rating with breakfast, but stay tuned for part 2. And make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more.